Let me show you something interesting. Normally, when you start a dropshipping store, you spend hours trying to find the right product. You're scrolling through marketplaces, checking suppliers, looking at best sellers, calculating profit margins, and even after all that, you're still not sure if the product will actually sell. But what if you could just type something like, find 20 trending products with at least 30% profit margin? Or something more specific like, find viral TikTok kitchen gadgets under $10 that ship from the US. And AI does everything for you. It finds the products, checks suppliers, calculates margins, and even prepares the product listing. So today, I'm testing the new Doba pilot feature from Doba to see if it can actually find good products and add them to a store automatically. Let's try it. If you want to test it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Also, right now they're running a beta, so if you start any Doba plan, even the trial, you can unlock 200 plus monthly AI credits, which is actually pretty useful if you want to test this properly. So I'm inside my Doba dashboard, and here you can see a section called Doba Pilot. It basically works like a chat assistant. Instead of manually searching for products, you simply type instructions. If you're a beginner, you can use the Quick Helpers tool. Here, you'll find some pre-made instructions that you can test without writing anything yourself. Let's try one of these. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, a prompt is already filled in the chat box. You don't have to do anything. Just hit enter, and boom! Within a few seconds, the AI pilot prepares the entire product listing for you. So this is actually a very easy way to understand how Doba Pilot works, especially if you're just getting started. You can test different prompts and see how the AI responds. Now let's go ahead and try everything manually. For example, let's try something simple. I'm going to type, find 10 trending home gadgets with fast US shipping, estimated delivery time between 2 to 7 days, and products that currently have available stock. Let's see what happens. Within a few seconds, the AI generates a list of products that match these requirements. Now this is interesting. If I open one of these products, you can see that it's shipping from the US with an estimated delivery time of around 2 to 3 days, and it also has a good amount of stock available. So the AI agent is actually doing a pretty good job filtering the products. The next step is to list these products in your store. But before doing that, make sure your Shopify store is connected to Doba. Once that's done, you can either select all the products or just choose the ones you like. Then simply click List to Store. Doba Pilot will then ask you to select the store where you want to publish the products and set your profit margin. You'll also see an option to automatically optimize the product titles and descriptions, which is very helpful. So I'll enable that as well and then click Continue Task. And that's it. Doba Pilot successfully lists the products directly to your store. You can now go to your Shopify store and review the products that were just added. Pretty effortless. Let's check another one. Now let's try another example. I'll type, find 10 trending spring home decor products and list them. Doba Pilot will help you select popular products that meet your criteria. Then you can see the AI is not just finding spring home decor products, it's already giving us some of the best-selling options. That saves a lot of manual work. Within seconds, the AI understands the request and prepares the products for listing, which you can publish in just one click. Alright, now let's try an all-in-one prompt. Create a store, pick 10 outdoor items, and list them with a 20% profit margin. Let's see what happens. I just hit enter. The AI pilot understands that you want to create a store, pick 10 outdoor items with a 20% profit margin, and list them. Then the AI finds the best matching outdoor products for your store. It also assists you in selecting these items based on your preferences. Just confirm the selection and click Continue Task. Now this is where things get interesting. Doba Pilot will guide you through setting up your store based on your prompt. You just need to choose your style, like selecting a category, theme color, and store banner. Then you connect your Shopify store to Doba. After connecting, enter your store details so the AI can quickly set up your store design, and then click Build Store with AI. Now the AI will design your store, and within a few seconds, everything will be ready. Then you can use AI to optimize product titles and descriptions and list the products. And that's it. Now you can view your store, where all the products are listed with optimized titles and descriptions. So you can use Doba Pilot not just for general products, but also for specific niches or trends. Now, obviously, this doesn't mean the AI will magically build a profitable store. You still need good marketing, good ads or content, a decent store design. But as a product research and automation tool, this can save a lot of time, especially if you're adding dozens of products. If you want to try it yourself, check out Doba Pilot from the link in the description. You can start with a trial and get 200 plus AI credits to test it properly. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools like this.